want to know what today is?
It's my 13th anniversary being on YouTube as a video producer, creator. So much has changed since then. My show is like the weather. You never know what I'm going to come up with. And later on today, we're supposed to be seeing some storms. I'll try to catch some of that with you. As you can tell, my camera's rocking. So I better get it in a safe position. We're in trouble.
Closely, and this is just the straight base velocity image, Jay, and we're talking, this is pinging upwards of 80 miles per hour, and that scan is about 738 feet up, so it's not that high, so we could bring down some very powerful wind gusts. Just got the latest update. I can get an 82 mile per hour wind gust into some of these within the core of this storm. I'll get back to the reflectivity so you can see it really syncs up well with the leading edge of this bow echo right here along, really right along the Ohio River right now, coming into extreme southwestern Jefferson County and very close to the Bullitt County line too.
You know, really anywhere from, let's call it Elizabeth down to, the New Boston area, West Point, and then you get into the Stites region, the Jefferson County Memorial Forest, Valley Station PRP right up here. Really anywhere here in southwestern Jefferson County down to near the county line, the Bullitt Jefferson County line, and then northern Bullitt County, we really have to be on the lookout for wind damage. This is a zone that picked up tornadic weather this past Sunday night and wind damage. Well, here comes another very intense capable of producing a tornado, and certainly some wind damage as it rolls on through. So that's the southern system that's going to cruise across portions of Jefferson County and northern Bullitt County. So if you're in that zone, please stay in your tornado warning shelter area. This does include a big chunk of the metro now, really the western two-thirds of Jefferson County. No doubt the tornado warning sirens are likely blaring. Same can be said here in northern Bullitt County, anywhere from Shepherdville to Hillview, over towards the Mount Washington area, and then back towards West Point.
I know Eric is telling us that obviously we have seen a number of power outages and down trees and power lines associated with this storm when it was across areas of Floyd County. So now bearing down on portions, of course, of Oldham County. And right now, Valley Station, just right along Dixie Highway, it looks like we are going to be watching right along East Orel Road, right along Medora Road, Watch for very powerful winds there. This is right along areas of Dixie Highway just south of the Gene Snyder. So this is going to be moving into Bear Camp Road in the next couple of minutes for Friends and Valley Station, Waverly Hills. Certainly you need to be in your place of safety. We are looking at some very strong winds there, a little bit closer over to portions of Hollyville. So this is obviously really very, very strong. And this is a very low perspective that we have here. Where's the height there?
Yeah,
Oh my. Now, it's April 2nd, 2025. This is Cornelia Moss-Oldham speaking. We have 13 seasons of gifts. Oh my. Holla.